Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OBS and plugin version compatibility, because mismatched builds break functionality. Once done, create backups of your Obs Studio config and plugin folders. This protects settings and scenes. Now close OBS fully and navigate to the correct installation path. On Windows, use Program Files. On Mac OS, check /applications/OBS or Library. And on Linux, check ~config/Obs Studio or /usr/lib. Make sure you identify both the plugin binary and any supporting files so you can replace them cleanly. Next, download the plugin update that matches your OBS build and operating system. You need binary compatibility. Once downloaded, extract to a temporary folder and stop. Do the replacement atomically by moving new files into the plugin directory rather than copying piecemeal. Replace binaries and resource folders, but keep user config files untouched. On Linux and Mac OS, set executable and ownership bits. On Windows, ensure antivirus didn't block files. Restart OBS after permissions are correct to let the new plugin initialize. Finally, open OBS and immediately confirm the plugin shows up and reports the expected version. This verifies the install. Then test critical features. Load scenes, run filters, and trigger hotkeys to ensure functionality. If something fails, consult the OBS log for errors, reapply required dependencies like runtimes or redistributables, and restart OBS again. If problems persist, restore the backup you made earlier and try a clean reinstall or an earlier plugin release. This rollback keeps your stream stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.